This video will show you how to save an Excel file to a USB flash drive. So first what I would do is open up your Excel file, then you can plug in your USB drive. Once plugged in, you may get a notification from Windows saying it's plugged in. You can go to File in the top left hand corner, then click Save As on Excel, and then go ahead and give it a name or keep the name that's already there. Go to More Options. This will open up your File Explorer. From here you want to scroll down and you're looking for this PC. Once you're on this PC, you'll then see your USB drive, double click on it, and then click Save. We can open up File Explorer, then we can go and find this PC again, then click on our USB drive, and here we can see the Excel file. Make sure you close out of Excel and then eject the USB safely. Click on the up arrow in the bottom right hand corner, find the USB icon, right click on it, and then click eject.